Master Lover Cooking Show. I'm your health chef. I'm Balingit. We wanna achieve yung we save time, money, and your health. So this time we are going to cook waterless sinigang. Have you heard or seen waterless sinigang?
No.
No, not even tasted it. So ang gusto nating achieve, di ba sabi niyo, health is your priority. I'm gonna assure you that we're going to boost your immune system. How? Yung vegetable magkakatas ng juice. Yun ang magiging sabaw. And 15 minutes only. Take note, it's 15 minutes sinigang only. And we're not even going to use any drop of oil. This is sinigang seafood. Yung iba nagigisa. So, okay ba yun? Wala nang gisa-gisa. Shoot mo na lang siya dyan. 15 minutes only. So, what do we want to achieve? We want to achieve nutritious sinigang. Yan, siya yung magiging gamot nyo. Paano? So, meron ba kayo nakikitang tubig or oil sa ating wonderful wok of Saladmaster? This is one of our favorites. No water, no oil. So, how do we cook sinigang? Ito yung trabahong easy, trabahong tamad. Bakit? Kasi isushoot nyo lang mo. Again, hindi tayo magigisa. This is the tomatoes and onion. So, it's optional if you wanna put some ginger. And what amazes with Saladmaster, pwede ba tayo magluto ng frozen? Pwede, kahit hindi mo na ito. Kung nagmamadali ka, ma'am, just shoot the shrimp. And then, we're gonna add the vegetables. Uy, naglalaro ba si Chef? Hindi. Ganyan ang Saladmaster way. And sinabi ko ba, medium fire or high fire?
Medium.
Medium. Okay, this is the indication, no? Sa Saladmaster, lahat ng cookware natin may Vapobab. We call this Vapobab solution. It clicks, no? Calibrated to na 87 degrees Celsius. Makiklik siya. Ibig sabihin, namatay na yung bacteria. And yung heat na temperature, right temperature na kailangan para iluto to. Pantay-pantay, ah. Kahit may frozen, may yellow, may fresh na. Pantay-pantay po mamaya. So, pag first click, ibig sabihin, from medium fire, low. Second click, patayin mo na, luto na. Okay ba yun? So, kung naman marunong, wow! Signal, easy na lang. Okay? So, again, pwede ba ito sa induction stove? Yeah, pwede sa induction stove yung Saladmaster, portable stove, gas stove, electric stove. Pwede siya kahit sa kandila. Pwede siya, no? Basta merong heat na kinoconduct. And by the way, pwede ba pasok yan sa oven, Miss Anne? Yes, kasi pwedeng i-detach yung mga handles. Now, how about the takip, Miss Anne? Pwede ba siyang tanggalin? Gusto ko kasi papasok sa oven to, no? Pwede siya kasi ang ganda ng Saladmaster, walang screws and rivets, no? Very safe for baby. So, kung gusto mo linisin yan, pwede. So, ganun, pasok sa oven. And these are all covered for you. Limited lifetime market. Ang aabangan natin, maluluto ba to? Magkakasabaw ba to? Healthy ba pag nagkasabaw to? Kasi galing from the vegetables. Do you think that will boost your immune system this COVID-19 season? Yes, marami tayong natulungan ng doctors, nurse, and families who boost their immune system with Saladmaster. Because our materials are 316 titanium cooking wares. And this is the only exclusive company for 75 years. Exclusive po siya na titanium. Hindi tayo fake. So, beware. Ito dapat kaya legit yung mga kausap, no? So, sa Philippines, yung Bennett Saladmaster, I'm one of their distributors. 42 years na sila. And I'm 10 years old here already. And we're serving a lot of clients and we're enjoying it. So, kapag meat, pag chicken, hayaan lang na nag-click. Okay, so mamaya makita natin, is it nutritious? Mamaya taste test kayo. Is it delicious? Yung palang indication kung healthy yung gulay, kung vibrant yung color. Color is equal to vitamins and yung flavor is the minerals. Okay? Now, let's move on. Kasi vacuum sealed siya eh. Naka-vacuum yan eh. Tignan nyo nga kung nagpawis yung gulay.
Oh, nag-moist na. Nag-moist na siya.
Yan na. Okay. Now, we wanna see if ito ay natunog ba sa baba or this is our sinigang. Naluto po ba yung shrimp? Yeah, and then, look, ano po yung nakikita nila? May sabaw ba?
Yeah.
So, you think this is purong patas? Vitamins and minerals? So, Nakita nyo, no? This is very healthy. And how's the smell? Mabantot ba o mabango?
Tanggalin ko muna yung mask.
Okay, amoy.
Mabango.
Hindi amoy utot yung labanos. It's very healthy. Anong meron sa Saladmaster? Bakit niya nagawa ito? Okay, ano ang composition? Ano yung sinagot ko kanina? It's made of titanium. Yes. Pero kung ito ay aluminum, ang baho. Kung ito ay teflon, ang baho at masusunog lang. So again, pagka nag-second click, lalagay na natin yung ating pampasin, tapos hihinain lang natin yung apoy to low. Again, no? So,
Yung colors.
look at the vegetables. The color represents the vitamins. Mamaya yung lasa. What do we expect? Puro, walang water. Malasa kaya? Matamis kaya? Ayun. So, ang lalagay natin is
Yung
magic formula natin. This is natural calamansi juice and patis. Kung ayaw ng patis, pwede mag-pink Himalayan salt and calamansi. Or rock salt.
rock salt. Hindi rock
Yeah.
salt.
Kakainin mo ba pag ganyan?
Hindi.
Ano gagawin mo?
Hindi magtitira.
Hindi na magtitira. Yes. Okay. So that's our sinigang. Pag second click, luto na siya. Okay? Alright friends, it's second click. Ibig sabihin from medium to low to turn it off. Let's check our sinigang if it's nutritious. Kung ito po ba ay nag-secrete ng sabaw. Wow! So nag-add lang po kami kanina ng calamansi at saka patis. So, do you think this is nutritious? Yes, it is. It's 93% vitamins and minerals. Now you can enjoy your waterless sinigang for only 15 minutes with Saladmaster. So, thank you once again and happy healthy cooking! Hello, Saladmaster! This is your health chef, I'm Balingit, and I would like to present to you the newest member of our executive chef set Hall of Famer,